Alright, we're leaving this place. It's called Bread Point. Amazing reviews. Huge sneeze. On the other side, it's called Bread Point. I don't know if you've been here before, but it looks amazing. We're gonna try a sandwich and a pistachio croissant. So let's go down to the sea, if you can see the sea, and we're going to try it out. So let's go. Let me get a bite.
Oh, yum.
Oh.
Wow, it's actually delicious.
It is.
It's going everywhere.
That's great. Pistachio.
Oh, that
Pistachio
looks good.
croissant. Whoa. Did you get any? You didn't get any pistachio, did you?
Oh, what if there's nothing in there?
No, it'll be in there.
I clean my hands, by the way.
Clean hands.
Oh, we'll see.